Alright. It's raining really, 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 really hard. And we just got pushed back into the bus.
It's my hair!
My hair looks worse. Hey! Say hi, Alicia. And there's Bob, who doesn't care. And Dustin, who also does not care. What is that? Is that a hot Cheeto? Oh! No, Dustin. Bad. Bad, Tom. Your finger looks funny. Ah! Oh, it's still recording! And look, you can barely even see out of the windows because it's raining. Woo. There's David and Carlos. And Ernesto up there. And there's Chris, Louie and Ray. And the bus driver way up there. Look at Venture Girl. That's awkward. We have all our blankets laying out because they're wet. Huh.
I don't even know if I'm recording myself right.
Okay. No. Bad Bob. You just pop out of nowhere.